And this is the heart of the Heavenly Father. No more looking left or right. Don't let comparison sow bitterness in your heart. Don't let confusion paralyze your feet. Don't let the systems of the past keep you bound in chains. For you have not been forgotten. You have not been skipped. And you have not been overlooked. My eyes have been upon you all along. For the wind of my spirit is blowing. My hand is moving. And onward we go. For the past is the past. It is time to raise a monument to my faithfulness and step into the new. For the past has reached its limit, and I am removing the limits of your expectations. For you may have reached the ceiling of your faith, but you have not reached the ceiling of my promises. For my thoughts and my purposes for you are far beyond what you can ask, think, or imagine. The mountains you once thought were peaks are but hills compared to where I am taking you. For I am a good and faithful Father. My plans are to prosper you and not to harm you. I have prepared a future filled with hope. So take my hand and onward we go. Step into the new with me, for I am good. And I only give good and perfect gifts. Lift your eyes forward. Remove the walls in your sight that have been built by past disappointments and by the limits you have placed upon me and my goodness. For the wind has shifted, and no man can stop my move. For my hand is moving, and what I have spoken shall not return void. So do not be afraid to hope again. Do not be afraid to trust my goodness again. For this is a new season, a season of double restoration, a season of fulfillment. For my spirit is moving, and no box can contain my wind. So trust your good Father, and onward we sail into the new, the heart of the Heavenly Father.